Did you miss me? I wouldn't, but that's okay. The channel exists and I am here to cater to my many fans. As you can see, this is the next evolution in my line of experiments, and something you'll notice about it, besides it being a decrepit old jelly bean jar, is that there's movement inside it. There is life, despite the fact that it is indeed sealed. And I have just opened it a few minutes ago and closed it again after it has been sealed for over 14 hours, and still life there is. Now, because the walls are transparent, I can study my animal life more easily, although it doesn't really show up in this video. I wish you could see it in person. It's truly spectacular. The most significant part, in my opinion, is the idea that this experiment could lead to, or in fact at this very moment could be, a bottle biosphere, which, if you are not aware, is a self-sustaining environment that you can study without really needing to interfere in. And the reason this would be possible is because it doesn't need as many outside resources as you think. Yes, some animals won't be able to survive in this environment, and right now my goal is not to farm or take care of that specific type, but to more familiarize myself with the types of animals that will be able to live here. And it is interesting because I will vary the amounts of water in here to know how much airspace we need at the top. Yes, no more oxygen is coming in, but the algae here is producing oxygen. And in fact, a majority of the oxygen that we breathe that makes up the atmosphere of planet Earth comes from algae and other plants within the ocean. And so it will produce oxygen, and it will produce an atmosphere, a little localized atmosphere, which the shrimp and other species will use to breathe, and as it does so, they will produce carbon dioxide, which the algae shall feed on, and hopefully, hoping that there's no unexpected, unknowable factors with nitrogen and whatnot, it will be self-sustaining. I do open it. I have been opening it from time to time just to look at it from above, to note differences between how they behave when they know they're being closed off. And before you ask, I have already removed all of the mosquito eggs, and I have made sure that more mosquitoes will not be laying their eggs in here. That's a good focus. Look at that. You can see my wriggly little guys. Yeah, look at you. What are you doing, buddy? What's going on around? That is amazing. That is incredible footage. This is great. This is part of what's so exciting about it, is because now I can get better footage than I ever could of the old pond. And I will miss it, but this is just the next stage in this type of science. Until I see you again, I am the Grimfin, and this is my science show. I don't know, I'm trying catchphrases.